Let's check the newly launched OnePlus Nord CE. Starting with unboxing. This is a complete unboxing with everything including a matching color silicone back cover, a 80-watt fast charger and the iconic red type A to C charging cable. This is the phone itself. The phone comes with plastic frame and back, so the weight is mainly due to the battery. The weight is nearly 215 gram because it packs a massive 8000 mAh battery, and the 80-watt fast charging is very good to fill it up. Also it supports 27-watt reverse wire charging. Yes, you can charge other device using a type C to C wire through this phone, and the massive battery can use as a power bank. It does not have Dolby Atmos, but it has something called O Vision, and the haptics are always good. The phone itself looks pretty good, and the design is more and less likely the Note 6 itself. It has IP69, the all connectivity features are there, but the Bluetooth version is a little low. Standard is 5.4, but you get 5.2. The display is upgraded from HD Plus to a 1.5K 6.7 inch 144Hz OLED display. It has good PWM beaming, and the quality is also good. The outdoor peak brightness is 3600 nits, and the standard optical in-display fingerprint scanner. It is protected by the crystal guard glass, and the 144 Hz is optimized for native apps, and the otherwise it's 120 Hz. This time it's come with Snapdragon 7s Gen 4 with 11 lakh Antutu score. Although the performance is not bad, you can get 90 fps in BGMI. Due to the OxygenOS, the animations are smooth, so no issue there. But last year, the Note CE5 was actually better. With the Dimensity 8350 Apex, it scored 1.3 lakh plus, and the upgrades are last year better because this time, although it comes with Android 16 with OxygenOS 16, it only gets 2 years of software updates and 4 years of security patch. And last year, it was 4 years of software update, including 4 years of security patch. The smoothness is pretty good, there will be no issue on that term, but yeah, 2 years of update less is a big drawback. It only has a single practical 50 megapixel camera with a 32 megapixel selfie. Again, last year you get 8 megapixel extra ultra wide lens, so that is missing. The price is 30,000 for 8 128, and you get a 2000 bank discount for the initial. And if you want to check the difference between Note C6 and Note C5, you can check it here. So let me know in the thoughts in comment what do you think about it.